Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram desktop not syncing with mobile. So first, you need to test connectivity on both devices. You can also try to check if you have a stable internet connection. Just go to speed test and run a network connection right here if it's strong or not. You can also restart your router to refresh the connection and eliminate network issues. Second thing is that you can force sync Telegram desktop. So you can restart Telegram desktop, close the Telegram desktop app completely. Also, you can go to Task Manager, and if you see that your Telegram desktop is still running, what you're going to do is you have to look for Telegram desktop, click right click, and then end the task. So in this way, it can somehow eliminate also the issues of Telegram desktop. Now, step three, update Telegram application. Update Telegram on mobile. So go to the Google Play Store if you're using Android or App Store, and then search for Telegram. Now check for updates. If you see the update button, what you're going to do is tap the update button. Wait as it is processing. Next is check Telegram server status. If Telegram servers are down, syncing will not work. So go to Telegram status and then visit their website. If you see that there is experiencing or something is not okay or Telegram is experiencing outages, you have to wait for resolution. So if the servers are down, you need to wait for Telegram to fix the issue. Lastly, what you're going to do here is to reinstall the Telegram. If none of the above steps work, reinstalling Telegram can resolve deeper issues. So uninstall Telegram, go to add or remove program, search Telegram, uninstall, and reinstall it again. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.